What happens when you stop fighting the natural flaws in a piece of timber and start celebrating them? In this episode of Crafted Wood Studio, we are exploring the soul of rustic modern design. This isn't just about building furniture, it's about a dialogue between the craftsman and the raw history of the tree. We're diving deep into the philosophy of character-grade wood, where knots, cracks, and dramatic grain patterns aren't defects, but the headline features. Join us as we explore the delicate balance of keeping things raw and rugged while maintaining the clean, sophisticated lines of modern aesthetics. Whether you're a seasoned maker or just a lover of fine artisanal craft, this journey into the heart of the wood will change how you look at your next project. Have you ever looked at a piece of wood, one with a deep, jagged crack running down the center or a knot so dark it looks like an eye, and thought, that's a mistake? In the world of mass production, that piece is scrap. It's discarded. It's seen as a failure of nature. But what if I told you that the failure is actually the most valuable part of the story? Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, we aren't looking for perfection. We're looking for character. We are stepping into the world of rustic modern design, a space where the wild, untamed history of the forest meets the sharp, intentional lines of the modern home. It's a paradox, and honestly, it's one of the most difficult balances to strike in the workshop. How do you keep something looking raw without it looking unfinished? How do you make a piece of furniture feel both 200 years old and brand new at the same time? Let's find out. The soul of the material. To understand rustic modern, you first have to change how you see your material. In traditional fine woodworking, the goal is often to find the clearest board, the one with the most uniform color and the fewest interruptions. But for us, the interruptions are the point. Every knot you see was once a branch reaching for the sun. Every streak of discoloration was a mineral the tree pulled from the earth decades ago. When we choose wood with character, we aren't just choosing a building material, we are choosing a witness to history. The rustic side of the equation is all about texture. It's the tactile feel of a wire-brushed grain, the visual depth of a natural edge, and the honesty of the wood's natural hue. The modern side, however, is where the discipline comes in. Modernism demands clean lines, structural bravery, and a lack of clutter. When you marry the two, you create a tension that is impossible to ignore. It's the visual equivalent of a lightning bolt hitting a skyscraper. The technical dance. Now, working with wood that has character isn't exactly a walk in the park. In fact, it's a bit of a technical nightmare. That beautiful crack we love. It wants to keep moving. That stunning knot. It might want to fall out. The secret to a high-end rustic piece is invisible stability. We use modern resins, hidden joinery, and stabilizing bow ties, not to hide the flaws, but to freeze them in time. This allows the wood to be its most dramatic self without sacrificing the longevity of the piece. One of the biggest mistakes makers make in this style is overprocessing. If you sand away every bit of texture, you lose the rustic. But if you leave it too rough, you lose the modern. The sweet spot is found in the finish. We often use matte or satin oils that soak into the fibers rather than sitting on top like plastic. You want to see the wood, yes, but more importantly, you want to feel it. Think about the contrast. Imagine a surface that looks like it was pulled from the bottom of a river, supported by a base that is surgically precise and perfectly geometric. That contrast is where the magic happens. It creates a focal point that stops people in their tracks. It makes them want to reach out and touch it. And that is the ultimate goal of any piece coming out of the Crafted Wood studio. Design philosophy, the intentional gap. Why are we so drawn to this style right now? Perhaps it's because our lives have become so digital, so smooth, and so curated. Everything around us is made of glass, metal, and pixels. We are starving for something that feels real, something that has weight. When you put a piece of furniture with true character into a modern room, you're creating an anchor. You're bringing the outdoors in, but in a way that feels sophisticated, not country. This isn't about log cabins, it's about high-end design that isn't afraid of its roots. It's about the intentional gap between the organic and the manufactured. When we design here, we spend hours just looking at a slab before the first cut is ever made. We look for the movement in the grain. We ask the wood where it wants to go. It sounds a bit poetic, sure, but if you don't listen to the material, the final piece will always feel forced. A truly great rustic modern piece looks like it couldn't have existed in any other form. It looks inevitable. Conclusion. Reflection. The art of rustic modern furniture is really the art of restraint. It's knowing when to let the wood speak and when to let the design take the lead. It's about celebrating the scars, the history, and the beautiful imperfections that make every tree unique. Next time you're in the shop, or next time you're looking for a new piece for your home, don't look for the smoothest, most perfect option. Look for the story. Look for the character. Because at the end of the day, a piece of furniture should be more than just a functional object. It should be a conversation. Thank you so much for joining me today in the studio. Creating these pieces is a labor of love, and sharing the process with you makes it all the more rewarding. If you found inspiration in today's exploration of wood and character, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing these projects to life. If you have a favorite type of wood grain or a project you're working on, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what's on your workbench. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow makers or anyone who appreciates the beauty of artisanal craft. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio and hit the notification bell so you never miss a journey from raw plank to luxury piece. Until next time, keep your tools sharp and your imagination open. We'll see you in the next one.